When ChatGPT came out in 2022, everyone was fearing for their jobs. And the time is coming close to where salespeople won't have a job anymore. Unfortunately, AI will replace salespeople, but it will not replace the people who manage the bots, the agentic agents. And those people are right now the sales managers managing the sales team. In the future, those will be the same people who are managing the AI agentic bots, the systems, running the process for the business. A sales manager is not just a sales trainer. A sales manager is someone who builds a system and runs that entire department. Everyone knows these sales jobs that are around right now will become motivated. You can look at 11 Labs right now and how these models are designed and they can talk for the business owner. I've got a friend who's currently doing $5 million a month. His entire program is designed by 11 Labs and he just spoke for 30 seconds and the 11 Labs program delivered it all. Your job is to progress in your skills, and if you don't progress in your skills, you will be left behind. And just a personal story for you. My dad was a taxi driver since 1991. He left the steel factory in Sheffield and moved towards a more stable job where he started working taxis and started earning more money. Unfortunately, those jobs are now disappearing. I went to Austin, Texas earlier this year, and a lot of the drivers who have now been replaced by way more driverless taxis are now fearing for their jobs because they know in the next year or two they won't have a job because they'll all be driverless. And you speak to appointment setters who are now getting replaced by AI dialing, by automated messaging services, and eventually you know they will come for sales rep because as these models get smarter and smarter, they'll be able to handle objections better and be able to speak to prospects. And as sales resistance goes up, many people will just want to speak to someone the most efficient way and not be left with a human going through a sales call for over an hour. So AI will be changing the entire sales industry. But the one thing that it will not be changing is someone needs to lead that industry. So someone needs to have those management skills. Right now, with our sales managers, we're equipping them with AI technology where they can assess their sales teams far quicker, grade calls quicker, and use all the AI tools to be able to do their job far more efficiently. And we know eventually they'll be replacing their sales teams of 10, 20, 30 people down to just a couple of people and then a lot more AI assistants. So if you're working in sales right now and you're still thinking that your job is going to be safe and you don't really have a career path, and honestly I feel lucky that in my 20s I met great mentors and I learned sales management. By the time I was 25 and 26, I got my first sales manager job. And when I got my first sales manager job, I just had to keep working skills. It took me around probably 2 to 3 years to really find my feet and become really efficient and to get to a sales director level. Right now, if you are still on the phones and you're still taking Zoom calls, the time will come where you are replaced. You always have a fear as a sales rep. You miss a target, you're gone. Or you have a couple of bad months and you're not really seen as the same winner as you were. And you already know as a sales rep how replaceable you are. You've seen your colleagues who get replaced when they have a bad month. Do you think business owners will want to favor you over their profits? They will always favor their profits because efficiency is what wins. Business owners don't run their business to be your friends. They run their business because they need a sales team to perform to allow their business to achieve their goals or for them to achieve their goals. Your job is to increase your skill set. And the only way to increase your skill set as a sales rep is to not learn more sales training. If it was about learning more sales training, I would be selling you sales training because it's the easiest thing to sell. You see everyone online selling sales training. How many different sales trainers are there? We actually give away all of our sales training that I used to sell for free because I know that it's valuable for you today. It's valuable for the next 6 months and 12 months, but it won't be valuable 2 to 3 years from now. And because I don't sell that sales training anymore, I can give it away for free. And if you go in the link in the description, you'll see our free community and you can take our entire sales training course for free. We used to sell this course for $5,000, but the reason why I give it away for free is for 2 reasons. One, that I believe everyone should have the ability to sell and not having to pay for it. When I was young, if I had to pay for it, I probably wouldn't get into sales. I was lucky enough to get a job where someone taught me. So therefore, I want to give it away for free. And 2, it's not going to be as valuable a year or 2 from now. But what will be valuable is knowing how to manage teams, how to manage bots, how to manage the sales department, how to build processes. So all of my energy is focusing on that area there. I know if we give you value, we're getting sales trained for free or giving you tools on how to become a sales manager or getting you sales manager trained, that will be the best way I can provide value and grow my business. Because it's not going to be through selling you sales training. You do not need to buy any more sales training. You need to progress and learn how to build a system, how to build lists inside a CRM, how to hire talent, how to interview talent, how to manage talent, how to progress other sales reps. Because if you learn those skills now, and as the market transitions more AI based and more models come out and it becomes way smarter, you won't go extinct. You'll have the skills to start managing managing those teams. And those teams might not be human. Those teams might be AI bots, but you will know how it is to manage processes and systems and hit targets with a team and delegate, and knowing how a business should be achieving targets. You'll know exactly how to match up sales and marketing so the business can be profitable. You'll know exactly how to build an incredible sales business. You'll know exactly how to run an incredible sales team, or go on to the steps that I did, which was managing multiple sales teams on my own offer. You can only move on to those steps if you take that jump and if you realize do not invest any more time in more sales training. And reality may hit for you too late when you've lost your job and you can't apply for another role elsewhere because you're replaced by AI. You need to progress in your career, and the next step that you need to take is to learn sales management. Everyone has a career, whether you're an entrepreneur or you clean toilets. The goal is to always progress and learn and do the next step. So if you stay as a sales rep, but even if your income is great, even if you're making 20k, 30k, 5k, whatever it is, if you stay in the same role, eventually you will go extinct. Do not wait for that, because these taxi drivers that I was speaking to in Austin, Texas, they're not happy because they don't know what to do. They can't see the next step. But I've made this video to tell every sales rep, every SDR, every appointment setter, there's a next step that you need to take to progress in your career. And you can only do it if you accept AI is coming for your job. You need to learn sales management. So if your funds are low and you don't have the money, just consume this free content on this page. Subscribe, go and look at all the free videos and learn sales management. And if you do have the money, start progressing on to the next phase. Start becoming a sales manager. Start running your own offer. Start running multiple offers. And that's why I've dedicated this entire channel towards sales leadership. Everything on this channel is about building incredible sales leaders that are future proof. They're not going to go extinct like most sales reps will. There's also too many sales reps right now and not enough sales leaders. So my job is to build incredible sales leaders. If you're interested, subscribe, like, share, and I'll catch you on the next video.